Winston Felix here, and I want to apologize for giving the impression today that I was somehow not wishing Nvidia shareholders well. I somehow thought that this was a Ponzi scheme or something like that. Some of you guys got a little offended with my take on it, and maybe you have a point, and I'm sorry for that. Winston certainly would not do such a thing, would he now? But I just want to kind of highlight a few things to watch out for, and that's kind of like how I sort of see my role is, I was lucky. I had really good mentors who were very experienced traders and investment bankers, and I kind of want to pass that on, and that's always been my mission and goal here with our community and our channel as we sit in Monaco here. Can you see those lights in the background there? They're all the yachts outside because it's the Formula One here on the weekend. So right, Nvidia, let's get into that, and then let's get into taking profits and how we make money. So Nvidia is trading at 170 times profits, 170 years of profit. That's lofty. You might say, well, profit's going to get a lot better. All right. It's also trading at 28 times revenue. So every single dollar that gets brought into the company for 28 years before they pay staff, R&D, taxes, and so on, that's that. That's, by any stretch of the imagination, a very, very, very lofty valuation, and they can do amazing things, and it's an amazing company with amazing products and apparently great management, and still I don't see the valuation where it's at. Is it going to keep going up? Quite possibly. Now, other tech stocks, Microsoft and so on, they're all up a bit, couple of percentage points. That I can see because they are potentially getting more market share from people like Google, plus their margins might improve because lower cost of just running things, they can lay people off and all that sort of stuff. So that's one thing. But somebody came up with, about 2 years ago, with this diamond hands thing, with a hodling thing, and I think everybody always thinks it's Reddit and us retail investors who came up with that, and we do it to like protect ourselves. I don't think so. I always follow the money, and I'm a bit of a contrarian. I'm a little bit of a conspiracy theorist. Yes, it's true, isn't it, Winston? It's true, he says. It's who benefits? Well, the hedge funds love it if they know that retail won't sell. And go up and up and up and up, but they won't sell. It means that hedge funds can exit. And who were the first to jump on and give really, really high price targets for Nvidia last night? Susquehanna, for example, one of the largest hedge funds out there. So I always smell a rat, essentially, and then not the. He doesn't smell like a rat. He just smells a little bit damp. And I just think, why do you buy stocks? Why do you buy stocks? Why do you invest? Why do you trade? To make a profit. So what is wrong in taking a profit? Nothing. That's precisely the reason why you do it. And then you think, well, I don't know what else to put it into. Okay, that's another conversation. But trimming profits when things go up a great deal can be a good idea. Now, if you do it on the most successful companies in the world in the long run, your Coca-Colas, your Microsoft or something like that, that would have bitten you in the backside pretty hard, harder than a golden retriever nibble. And so I get that. But I think at the same time, look at Tesla. Tesla is trading at half its valuation from last year, right? Look at all the ARK stocks. Look at everything from the dot-com bubble. It took like 15 years to go back to that. And I just want to lend a little bit of perspective here. And if you disagree with me, I love that. First of all, put a comment down below and disagree with me. That's what the community is all about, that we discuss and debate and disagree. It makes us smarter. It gives us thoughts that maybe we didn't have to start with. Secondly, make sure you sign up for our free live trading masterclass next Wednesday on the 31st. Winston will be hosting that. He'll be doing some amazing trading, won't you? felixfranz.org/webinar, link is down below. And the intention there again is to show you a different way of making money with 85% probability rather than the 50-50 that you have when you buy stocks. And I want to pass that on because my first investment was a disaster. I lost half the money to a financial advisor and it sucked. And when I finally was lucky enough to work in an investment bank and learn about how markets really work from the other dark side, I thought, well, everybody should know this, and I wanted to find a way to teach everybody that, and that's essentially what we do here, isn't it, Winston? There we go. Let me see if I can show you some boats. I don't think they've really come out, but each one of those lights back there is a spectacular yacht as we're here in Monte Carlo. So that's really all it is for me. Put a comment down below, guys. We're also still doing our raffle, win our $800 a month newsletter and much more. Just put a comment down below and you automatically enter if you also share the video. Thanks very much for watching.